This is what it takes not to fuck up. I still might. So I'm trying to figure out what to do and how not to fuck it up. And then now I get all the rest of the hard shit after that. Alright, here's my side piece. I'm gonna glue these two up, glue them together, and then use my side piece to mark them. Then set them on the saw on my little sled, cut them at the right side, and then do the angle shit. So other than it being drooly, super glue is badass. It glues them together. These are built. Really wish I had a better angle. So you can watch me do this, but not gonna happen. Sorry, you guys are doing a fucking stanky leg on this thing. So, there you go. Now it's time to figure out that angle exactly. I think it's 9.3. Table's level. 9.3. Alright, scary shit part. So the angle's cut. Alright, going to make a piece. Goes around here so it slips over the pipe the scary way. I'm hoping it doesn't fall off and cut my hands apart. But you'll get to watch. It'll be loud. Woo! God damn, that shit just fit. That's a tight fit.
That's what she said.
Alright. So that piece is done. That piece is gonna hold this. I'm gonna have to make a copy. You know, like a little, just a fucking cut around here, make it look okay. So the subs are 6 5/8 deep, and that is 6 5/8. little bit big.
That's what she said.
All right, so this is the plug side. It'll go either side, and then that one I'm going to route out, and it'll be the flange side.
Perfect.
So, changeable ports, one this side, one that side. That's what the ported side will look like. This will be on the other side, filling it. But I like to make fuck up. This is not cut the length, and there's no way of getting it out. So there's no way of getting it out. Fucking stupid ass. So my idea, fuck, I hate doing this shit, is take this whole deal and put it up on the router table, route that out. Well, that worked. I was able to route this out wider so it fits these 4.5 inch PVCs, and now I could slide them in and out no matter how long they are. So this is the 20-inch side, which would be the lower base side. I had to build a little sled so I can cut these PVC without destroying everything. So this side, start off, we're going to have it blank, and then this side which will be this one. I'm gonna cut it to 15 inches, and this one, I'll have a cradle right here, I think, because it's tops on. Now I'm gonna make these out of 1/2 inch. Use these, I'm gonna have to clean them up. I gotta grab the grills, fit them with these pieces, so I could use these pieces to copy it on the 1/2 inch. I'll show you. All right, so here's my centerpiece. Taped it together. This is a copy of the Ford logo, so I'll use it instead of the Ford logo so I don't screw it up. But I got it measured out. So center, and route out the hole for this on this 1/4 inch piece. Hopefully don't fuck it up, because I'll have to remake it, which is a pain in the ass. There's the templates.
Perfect. Perfect.
Let's see how the carpet went. Oop. And dig all this in, but otherwise it's really nicely covered. And cut this. This is where the ports are, speakers, and I'm going to magnetize or stick all the pieces on and chalk around them so I can cut them out. We are making huge progress. I've cut out the carpet underneath these, so we have a good, clean bite on it. They're not loose. Magnets are holding good. So now I've got to work on the portholes and mount the Ford emblem. So it's kind of done.